Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Create with Indu Dehradun. Today I am going to show you how to paint this beautiful watercolor painting in a very easy way. So for this painting I am going to use this brush throw watercolor paper. This is a very good paper, cold press 300 GSM. So now first of all I will draw a heart. It can be done freehand with the colors only, but for beginners it is advisable to draw it before, and then I will start my painting. First of all, I will make the roof of the hut wet with a little of water and add vermilion red. Let it be dried, and then in between we will draw the trees. For that, apply chrome yellow first and then apply the light green or greenery color to show some gradation in the trees. Then the viridian green. Here I am using viridian green. Then again on the second side we will give another shade to the trees. Some trees are with colorful flowers. Just an impression only. Now here I am going to give third shade to the trees. Some trees are close by, some trees are far away, so you have to give different shades to different trees. Now here are some bushes. Now the second layer with a little Prussian blue and viridian green mixed. Let it be dried, and now here I am creating the shadow, and this part of the hut I am painting yellow with lemon yellow. And then again give different shades for the grass impression and the mud and some fresh soil. Some dark green again. This is sap green. To make a darker shade, mix the viridian green with Prussian blue and create some more depth in the trees. Now again here we are creating some shadow of the roof on the side walls with the mustard color, yellow ochre, and now this is the wet on wet technique, wet on dry technique. Wet the surface and add some more vermilion red color on the top. Now we should color the sky also with a little of Prussian blue and a lot of water. Remove some of the color with the tissue to create the clouds. Now I am creating the branches and stem of the trees with a little of sap green with more of water. These are some openings or the windows. Here is the door and windows. And now we will create a broken outline of the hut and some barriers or the picket fencing, just like bamboo fencing. Some highlighting on the grass again with the darker shade of green. Now I am creating two figures of a father and a daughter. Just an idea, not the proper one. Any painting becomes live with the figures, so there should always be some figures in your paintings. And they should also be perpendicular to the base line of the paper, just to show them standing. Give some dark highlights to the tree stems and some birds with black color. Now add some blue color in red or green in vermilion red and add some more dimensions to the rooftop. And the painting is done. Please give your valuable feedback in the comment section and oblige. This is very motivating for me. मेरे ऐसे ही और वीडियोस देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें व बेल आइकन को हिट करें। अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक करें व शेयर करें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ।